Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to import an Electrum wallet. Open Electrum and choose Restore Wallet or Import from Hardware, then enter your 12 or 24-word seed phrase carefully. If using a hardware device, connect and follow its prompts to approve addresses. Set a strong password, enable two-factor or seed encryption, and verify the wallet fingerprint to ensure you connected to the right server and wallet. Start by selecting Restore Wallet in Electrum and choose Standard Wallet to input a seed phrase, or use a hardware device for a connected ledger or similar. Carefully type or paste your 12 or 24-word seed in the exact order, then set an encryption password. For XBUB imports, paste the master public key, verify the derived addresses, and confirm server connection to ensure funds and history load correctly without exposing private keys. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like to support more crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It's leak-proof, easy to clean, and fits most cup holders, perfect for long crypto deep dives. I use it while troubleshooting wallets and it keeps me focused. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If you see missing funds or mismatched addresses, check the derivation path and script type, as wallets can use different defaults. Always keep your seed phrase offline and never enter it on websites or untrusted devices. If you imported an XBUB, confirm the change and address index settings. Finally, verify Electrum's server connection and certificate to avoid man-in-the-middle issues, and consider restoring to a new wallet to test before sending funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.